Asian Network.
It's exactly 7 o'clock and now Asian Network presents part 1 of Shah Rukh Khan's Heroes.
Shah Rukh Khan's Heroes on BBC Asian Network.
Hello everybody, I'm Shah Rukh Khan. Assalamu alaikum and namaskar, and you're listening to My Heroes on BBC Asian Network. These are my stories about some amazing people who have inspired and moved me. So in the first episode, I'd like to talk about my first hero. And my first hero, of course, like any sons, is my own father. मेरे जो पिताजी थे, या Papa as I used to call him when I was younger. His name is Mir Taj Muhammad. He is no more, died at the age when I was only 15. And somehow has left an impression on my life that goes on and on and on and makes me want to be like him. He was extremely gentle, very handsome, about 6 feet. He was kind, he was very patient, and he taught me something which you will understand at the end of the series why it is important. He taught me that it is not special to be special, it is special to be ordinary. और हम बहुत लोअर मिडिल क्लास फैमिली के थे, तो ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं थे. मेरे फादर लॉयर थे बाय प्रोफेशन, लेकिन प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते थे क्योंकि उन्हें लगता था कि अगर मैं प्रैक्टिस करूंगा तो मुझे झूठ बोलना पड़ेगा. And he did not want to lie. I'm not saying all lawyers are liars, but that's how he somehow felt. He never practiced it. He was a little participant in politics, and one of the greatest things that I think he, which I'm very proud of, was that he won the Tamirapatra as the youngest freedom fighter for India. So I somehow feel very responsible, as if this country is a gift to me from him. और इसलिए ही कभी-कभी जब लोग मुझसे कोई ऐसी बात करते हैं जो मेरे देश के या मेरे country के खिलाफ है, तो I feel extremely disturbed by it, because I believe my father fought for the freedom of my country. He also told me कि जब भी तुम जिंदगी में जियो, हो सकता है तुम बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए बहुत सारी अच्छी बातें ना कर सको, तो कोई बात नहीं. If you're not going to benefit anybody, just make sure your life does not harm anybody. I miss him. He died of cancer. He couldn't speak for the last 3 to 4 months of his life, but he still made it into a little game. So when I saw a film called Life is Beautiful, I get reminded of my father, where the father makes a game for his son on way to his death. And the game my father used to play with us was Dum Charades, because he couldn't speak anymore. He had throat cancer. And we used to look forward to those days कि हम जाते थे और he used to say 3 words, and he used to try to act it out for us. And we always thought, me and my sister, that our father will be cured because he always looked so happy. And he kept us happy throughout because he was playing this little game with little kids. So पहला गाना जो मैं डेडिकेट करना चाहूँगा अपने फादर को, मीर ताज मोहम्मद को, वो एक गाना है जो उन्होंने जो मुझे सिखाया, उससे वो प्रेरित है, उससे it's related to that. And what he had taught me was, whenever you're worried, whenever you're disturbed, try and get over it, because life is too beautiful to be wasted on just worries. और उनका फेवरेट गाना था, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया. And whenever I'm disturbed, whenever I'm worried, and I miss him, I put this song on. So I play this one for you. हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया.
मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ा. बर्बादियों का सोग मनाना फजूल था, बर्बादियों का सोग मनाना फजूल था, मनाना फजूल था, मनाना फजूल था. बर्बादियों का जश्न मनाता चला गया, बर्बादियों का जश्न मनाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ा. जो मिल गया उसी को मुकद्दर समझ लिया जो मिल गया उसी को मुकद्दर समझ लिया मुकद्दर समझ लिया मुकद्दर समझ लिया जो खो गया मैं उसको भुलाता चला गया जो खो गया मैं उसको भुलाता
I hope you enjoyed the song with the emotions that I had for my father. I hope you like it, and I hope some of you make that the motto of your life, that when you're disturbed and when you're sad, don't worry, just go on and lead your life. It'll finally turn out to be well. मेरी एक पिक्चर में एक लाइन थी ओम शांति ओम में जो I think उन्हीं से प्रेरित है मेरे फादर से कि अंत में सब कुछ ठीक ही हो जाता है और अगर ठीक ना हो तो वो अंत नहीं है पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त and I think all these little bits and pieces that I do in my movies lot of the lines that I say or the feelings that I have is because of my father and एक और चीज़ जो उन्होंने मुझे बहुत अच्छी सिखाई थी वो शायरी सिखाई थी unfortunately because he died early I have not been able to read and write Urdu very well I could when I was young and he would even tell me that I could have been a poet though I wrote really bad couplets but you know how fathers are they love you and they kind of say it's all right he was very proud of me I remember एक बार मैं अपने फादर के साथ चाय की पार्टी चल रही थी घर में और एक मोटी सी आंटी आकर बैठी हुई थी and she had this really garish red lipstick on her really overdone and you know she was one of these high society ladies who are very beautiful to look at but they're kind of a little different from you and I walked in and my dad was having fun. He had a great sense of humor which I think is I'm also inspired by that sense of humor and I use it a lot, gets me into trouble. He just looked at me and said isn't this auntie beautiful? And I knew he had a smile on his face which was kind of that she is beautiful but like more beautiful than required and so I said yeah. He says would you say a little couplet for her? So I said this really awful couplet but because I'm talking about my father I hope you'll forgive me. So the couplet was लोग कहते हैं कि मेरी आंटी के होंठ गुलाबी हैं मैं कहता हूँ कि मेरी आंटी की आंखें शराबी हैं. And it was a funny joke for us. It may not sound funny now but between father and son it was at the expense of somebody else. We were being very naughty. One other thing that he taught me was patience which was you know कि ज़िंदगी में बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी आएंगी जिससे तुम्हें बहुत तकलीफ पहुंचेगी और कभी कभी लगेगा कि जल्दी से उसको ख़त्म कर लें हम but take your time whenever things are not going your way just step back a little if you have a lot of choices in front of you which all seem wrong wait till one of them seems righter than the rest and then try to right them and the other thing he taught me is that that's the only way to counter failure अगर आप कभी आपको failure का सामना करना पड़े so the biggest weapon that you have against failure is patience not anger not banging your head against the wall not fate or blaming other people just a lot of patience and though I'm very energetic though I'm very jumpy and I do a lot of things which perhaps physically or from the exterior don't seem that I would be a patient person but I think the extreme nature of patience that I have especially with my two beautiful idiotic children and everyone around me in my line of work is because my father taught me that you have to be patient and जो गाना मैं अब बजाना चाहूँगा उनके लिए वो patience के बिल्कुल विपरीत है opposite to patience because it's perhaps the most energetic song perhaps the most hectic and most difficult song that I have performed and क्योंकि मैं अपने father की बात कर रहा हूँ और मैं चाहूँगा कि अगर मेरी पूरी फिल्मों में एक गाना वो देखते तो मेरी तमन्ना होती कि वो ये वाला गाना देखते because he would be very proud of me because it's athletic it's very difficult a little dangerous too and I think it's absolutely beautifully done this is a song from film Dil Se and the song is Chaiya Chaiya and I just feel riding on top of a train moving at breakneck speed and dancing away and jumping is hardly patient but I think he would have really enjoyed the song with Malaika Arora and one of the most special films I have ever done in my life, and one of the first few films which actually overseas kind of made Indian cinema or Bollywood be played at regular hours, and people really appreciated it. Did not do well in Indian theaters, but a film I'll always be proud of, and a song that I would like my father to know I did on top of a running train. Chaiya chaiya. Chal chaiya 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 chaiya, chal chaiya 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 chaiya, chaiya 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 chaiya, chal chaiya 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 chaiya, chal chaiya 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 chaiya, chal chaiya 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 chaiya, chaiya 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 chaiya, chal chaiya chaiya chaiya. सारे इश्क की छाँव चल छैया छैया, सारे इश्क की छाँव चल छैया, पाँव जन्नत चले चल छैया छैया, पाँव जन्नत चले चल छैया, चल छैया 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 छैया. वो यार है जो खुशबू की तरह, जिसकी जुबान उर्दू की तरह, तो नजर आ जाए कहीं, गुलपोश कभी इतराए कहीं, महके तो नजर आ जाए कहीं, तावीज बना के पहनूं उसे आयत की तरह मिल जाए कहीं, तावीज बना के पहनूं उसे आयत की तरह मिल जाए कहीं, गुलपोश कभी इतराए कहीं, महके तो नजर आ जाए कहीं, तावीज बना के पहनूं उसे, वो यार है जो ईमान की तरह, मेरा नगमा वही, मेरा कलमा वही, मेरा नगमा नगमा, मेरा कलमा कलमा, मेरा नगमा कलमा, मेरा कलमा कलमा, मेरा नगमा नगमा, मेरा कलमा कलमा, मेरा नगमा नगमा, मेरा कलमा कलमा. यार मिसाले ओस चले पाँव के तले, फिर दोस्त चले, कभी डाल डाल, कभी बात बात में हवा पे ढूंढूं उसके निशान, सारे इश्क की छाँव चल छैया छैया, सारे इश्क की छाँव चल.
Shah Rukh Khan's Heroes on BBC Asian Network.
बहुत सारी बातें मैंने अपने फादर के बारे में की, और उनका मुझ पर बहुत असर भी था एक्टिंग के हिसाब से. Many things that he taught me were about acting. So 2 anecdotes I will tell you about why, or 3 of them actually. 3 anecdotes I will tell you about how my father is kind of responsible indirectly for me wanting to be an actor. पहली बात ये कि उनके जो भाई थे, his brother was called Brahmachari. Brahmachari in English would mean one who does not get married, right? So they had named him Brahmachari because he was married to art, or so my dad said. I'd never seen him. I never saw him. I went to Peshawar twice with my father just before he died. But this brother was also had expired by then, so I didn't get to see him. But Brahmachari had this quality that he loved dancing and singing and painting and writing poems. And somewhere at the age of 12 or 11, my father started telling me that you remind me of my younger brother Brahmachari, क्योंकि तुम उसी की तरह से नाचते हो, गाते हो, और there is an artist in you which I hope someday, somewhere gets tapped. So this thought has always remained in my heart, because when evenings my father used to come back from work, तब रेडियो हुआ करता था, टीवी नहीं था, and रेडियो के ऊपर मैं गाने लगाता था, और मेरे फादर और मेरी मदर भी, they would tell me कि नाच के दिखाओ. So the song that I used to dance to was a song of I think Shami Kapoor Saab, and I used to dance like Mumtaz ji. So I could dance like a girl, which I think I still do maybe in my films, though I believe it must have become a little more manly. But I used to dance for my father, and I used to dance for my mom. There was no television, so in a certain sense I was the surrogate television of our times. So I would, evenings was spent dancing to the song that my father liked and my mother loved. And the song is from the Shami Kapoor Saab film Brahmachari, actually, I think. Chakke pe chakka, chakke pe gaadi, gaadi pe nikli apni savari.
चक्के में चक्का, चक्के पे गाड़ी, गाड़ी में निकली अपनी सवारी. थोड़े आगाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी, थोड़े आगाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी. चक्के में चक्का, चक्के पे गाड़ी, गाड़ी में निकली अपनी सवारी. थोड़े आगाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी, थोड़े आगाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी. चुन्नू छबीले, मुन्नू हटीले, मखमल की टोपी, छोटू रंगीले. चुन्नू छबीले, मुन्नू हटीले, मखमल की टोपी, छोटू रंगीले. लल्लू बटाटा, लल्ली टमाटा, काम बनेंगे गट्टू गठीले. पेट में इनके लंबी सी दाढ़ी. चक्के में चक्का, चक्के पे गाड़ी, गाड़ी में निकली अपनी सवारी. थोड़े आगाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी, थोड़े आगाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी. उम्र में कच्चे ये छोटे बच्चे हैं, भोले भाले हैं सीधे सच्चे. उम्र में कच्चे ये छोटे बच्चे हैं, भोले भाले हैं सीधे सच्चे. ठानेंगे जो भी करके रहेंगे, ये अपनी धुन के हैं पूरे पक्के. कोई न समझे इनको अनाड़ी. चक्के में चक्का.
Like I was telling you anecdotes and stories about my father wanting me to be an actor in an indirect way. He never thought that I could be an actor otherwise. Many a times friends had come to our house, और बहुत अच्छे अच्छे दोस्त हैं जो अभी भी मुंबई में हैं या उनकी फैमिलीज हैं वहाँ पर. और क्योंकि मेरे फादर पेशावर से थे, तो दिलीप साहब का घर हमारे घर के एकदम करीब था. राज कपूर साहब का घर भी करीब था. एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट मुझे किसी ने बताया कि वो एक ही गली है, किस्सा खानी गली, जहाँ से राज कपूर साहब, विनोद खन्ना साहब, दिलीप साहब, and if I may add, me too. So we've all born in around the same gully or alleyway in Peshawar. So शायद वहाँ के पानी में कुछ है, या फिर लोगों को कुछ बात पसंद आती है जो लोग उस गली से होते हैं. So my father used to talk about a lot of actors of his time and people that he loved. My father knew Dilip Saab and Saira ji. As a child, I had met them also because of that. Even now, when I go in Mumbai, and again, one of the few things that I miss a lot, that Saira ji calls me her son. She says, if Dilip Saab and she had a child, he would look like me. My father and mother also thought so, but then I think every father and mother thinks like that about their child. I don't think I was so good looking or handsome or so talented, but I always grew up with the stories of Dilip Saab. I was in a strange way always made to see when later on movies came about and VHS came on and VCRs came in vogue. My mother would tell me, you know, this was your dad's favorite film, and she would show me mostly Dilip Saab's films. और एक फिल्म बहुत खूबसूरत है जो आई थिंक दुनिया भर में सबको मालूम है, दिलीप साहब की देवदास फिल्म थी। और जब मुझे मौका मिला देवदास फिल्म में काम करने का, तो द फर्स्ट रीज़न, जब संजय लीला बंसाली मेरे पास आए तो उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि मैं ये फ़िल्म करना चाहता हूँ। मुझे सब लोगों ने कहा ये फ़िल्म मत करना, क्योंकि दिलीप साहब की क्लासिक है और बहुत बेवकूफ़ी होगी ये फ़िल्म करना और ये गलत होगा। एंड I wouldn't have done it actually till Sanjay Leela Bhansali looked at me and he said, I think you have the eyes that can portray this role and you look like Dilip Kumar. So when he said that, it reminded me of my dad, and it reminded me Devdas was his favorite film. Even if I completely spoil it, I think my father would still love me in Devdas. So I did the film Devdas. और Devdas film का मैं गाना सुनाऊंगा जो it may not be as beautiful and as wonderful as the songs from the older Devdas, but just because I acted in Devdas, because it's related to my father. So I would play the song Chal Chalak Chalak Chal Chalak Chalak Chal Chalak Chalak Chal Jaye De, when I'm getting drunk and misbehaving with Madhuri and dancing with Jackie Shroff in the film.
शीशे से शीशा टकराए, शीशे से शीशा टकराए, जो भी हो अनजान। ओ देखो कैसे शीशे से शीशा टकराए, जो भी हो अनजान। हो देखो कैसे छलक छलक छल छलक छलक छल छलक छलक छलकाए रे, छलक छलक छल छलक छलक छल छलक छलक छलकाए रे। झांझ पखा बजता से बाजे छलके जब ये जाम। हो देखो कैसे आहा आहा आहा। ओ देखो कैसे धमक धमक धम धमक धमक धम धमक धमक धमकाए रे, धमक धमक धम धमक धमक धम धमक धमक धमकाए रे। हे नाचे मीरा जोगन बन के ओ मेरे घनश्याम। देखो 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 नाचे मीरा लहरा के बल खा के ओ मेरे घनश्याम। ओ देखो कैसे, ओ देखो, ओ देखो, देखो 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 कैसे थिरक दिल थिरक थिरक दिल थिरक थिरकता जाए रे, थिरक थिरक दिल थिरक थिरक दिल थिरक थिरकता जाए। हे धमक धमक धम धमक धमक धम धमक धमकता जाए रे, धमक धमक धम धमक धमक धम धमक धमकता जाए रे। चलन चलन चल चलन 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 चल चलन दिल झनक झनक झन तिरक तिरकता जाए।
You're listening to Shah Rukh Khan's Heroes on BBC Asian Network.
As I was telling you, the stories can go on and on about my father, and I can spend a whole lifetime talking about my dad and tell you how he has impressed, how he's been such a major impression in my life. Though he died when I was only 14 and a half or 15, and I really do miss him. But the main quality and the main thought, apart from him being my father, that made me feel that he is my hero and will always be so, is because I want to be like him. I want to be a father like him to my children, except for one little thing. I'd like to stay a little longer with my children than he did. That's the only thing I think he fell short of. But like I had said in the beginning, my father was a gentleman. He was a kind man. He was a patient man. He taught me to be giving and he taught me everything that I am. He fought a disease with a lot of strength and always kept smiling till the end. And I really believe that if my life could be anything like his, if I could be as gentle, as sweet, as wonderful. And he also told me that when elections were on in Peshawar, he wasn't into politics. How he got into politics was because his brothers who were in politics would take him on the streets of Peshawar, because that was the only way the girls would come to the windows to look at the handsome man. So I hope I can become as handsome as him. I'm still growing. Hopefully some of the features can change still. I hope you enjoyed listening to all the songs and some of the stories that are very personal, very, very special to me. And these are the songs that my father would have liked me to play. These are the songs I believe somehow, somewhere, in a small way maybe, define what my father was or means to me as a hero. And before I leave, I'd like to leave another song from my film called Yes Boss, where there is a young man who comes from nowhere, from a lower middle class family in Delhi, wanting to live his dreams and say them and wear them with pride and talk about it in a way which may sound pompous, but behind all that self-belief, there is obviously just an insecure young kid trying to make it big. And the song that I dedicate last on this program is the song from the film Yes Boss, which is called मैं बन जाऊं सबसे बड़ा. जावेद साहब ने ये गाना लिखा है और बहुत खूबसूरत लिखा था. सारी ताकत सारी दुनिया पर हुकूमत बस इतना सा ख्वाब है. And I really like that song, and I believe that most of the achievements I've done, I have been able to do is because of all the teachings of my father. So I leave this program with this last song, and I hope you enjoyed. Sari Duniya Par Hukumat, Bas Itna Sa Khwaab Hai.
जो भी चाहो वो मैं पाऊं, जिंदगी में जीते जाऊं. चांद तारे तोड़ लाऊं, सारी दुनिया पर मैं छाऊं. बस इतना सा ख्वाब है, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है. चांद तारे तोड़ लाओ, सारी दुनिया पर मैं छाऊं. बस इतना सा ख्वाब है, इतना सा ख्वाब है. सुन जरा आरज़ू मेरी है क्या, मैं क्या बन जाना चाहता हूँ. मैं कहाँ खराब हूँ, मैं तो लाजवाब हूँ, मैं ये मनवाना चाहता हूँ. मान जा ऐ खुदा कितनी सी है दुआ, मैं बन जाऊँ सबसे बड़ा, सबसे बड़ा. मेरे पीछे मेरे आगे हाथ जोड़े दुनिया भागे. बस इतना सा ख्वाब है, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है.
you enjoyed the first part of Shah Rukh Khan's Heroes. Join me next time on BBC Asian Network.